Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest information on health and wellness. In today's video, we will delve into the topic of chia seeds and their remarkable benefits for weight loss. If you've been searching for a natural and effective way to shed those extra pounds, look no further. Let's dive right in and discover how to use chia seeds for weight loss. Overview of chia seeds. Before we get into the specifics, let's start with a brief overview of chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico. They have been used for centuries as a source of sustenance due to their high nutritional value. The power of chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and various vitamins and minerals. These super seeds are known to provide a feeling of fullness, regulate blood sugar levels, and boost metabolism, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Now that we understand the benefits, let's explore how to incorporate chia seeds into your daily diet. One of the simplest ways is by adding them to your favorite beverages, such as smoothies, juices, or even water. The seeds absorb liquid and develop a gel-like consistency, which can help you feel fuller for longer. Chia seed recipes. In addition to beverages, chia seeds can be used in a variety of recipes. We have handpicked a few delicious and nutritious options for you to try. From chia seed puddings to energy bars, these recipes will not only satisfy your taste buds but also aid in your weight loss journey. Chia seeds and exercise. Chia seeds can also enhance your workout routine. Due to their high protein content, they are an excellent source of energy for physical activities. Whether you're into running, weightlifting, or yoga, incorporating chia seeds into your pre-workout or post-workout snacks can provide the necessary fuel to boost your performance. Tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, let's share some additional tips and tricks for using chia seeds for weight loss. It's important to start with small quantities and gradually increase your intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Remember to drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds, as they absorb liquid and may cause dehydration if not properly hydrated. Lastly, always choose high-quality chia seeds from a reputable source to ensure you're getting the best nutritional value. We hope this video has enlightened you about the incredible potential of chia seeds for weight loss. Incorporating these tiny powerhouses into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your overall health and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Stay healthy, stay happy.